it's already recorded. Okay. So, this is the cool drinks I got from Rewe. How? I'm in Frankfurt. You'll probably not see me tomorrow. But, okay. So, Mountain Dew. This is super cool. So first I got the Spangled Splash with a blast of red berry flavor with other neutral flavors. Natural, okay. And then we got this Freedom Fusion with a blast of lemonade and peach flavor. I'm actually kind of worried because I don't like peach. Well, probably, but after this rings, okay. First, I'm going to drink the Spangled Splash. What? Ooh, these were just in my fridge. Tastes good. So this is the red flavor. Looks like. 9.5 out of 10. Let's try the. Before I try the Freedom Fusion, let me. Hey Dad, I want you to try this and then rate it.
All right, we're gonna try it.
Yep.
Wow, it's a lot of different flavors, huh?
Yeah. But Mom got to try it. Okay. I want you to try it and rate it.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
What do you rate it out of?
7 of 10.
What do you rate it?
8.
Oh. So that's I believe this is cool. Wait. If it's 15 plus, so this is a 24 plus 0.5 out of 30. Let's try this Freedom Fusion. Hope I didn't shake this. Freedom Fusion. Okay. Oh, I can already tell it tastes of freedom. Okay. So, this is actually very good. But the peach almost kills the butt. It's like a 7 out of 10. I need to grab the phone again. Okay. What's your rated from 0 out of 10?
All right.
What's your rated?
I think a 7 out of 10. I like the other one better.
Yeah, me too. Okay. I'm going to wait. I'm waiting. I can pause the video. Wait. So, my mom is now tasting it. What do you taste? What's your rate out of?
8.
So to sum it up, this is actually okay. So let me do my math again. 7 plus 7 equals 14 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is 8 plus 8, so 16. Okay, so 7 plus 7 equals 14 plus 8. So to sum it up, my genius brain says it's 22. So 22. So, the Spangled Splash is the winner. The Freedom Fusion is the loser. Guys, you can get this at the Frankfurt Rewe down. Oh yeah. I'm also in the hotel. Not in Schriesensbach. Look at this. Woo! YTshortssports back active, guys. So you gotta be tuned up now. Okay. There's a. Okay. Yep, we gotta go now. Bye. And see you in at least Colorado. Bye. And also, Blue is playing on. Okay. Bye. And see you next time. That was the bomb, okay?